It's the classic British winter morning ritual. You wake up, pull back the curtains, and there it is. Your windows are crying. Again, for millions of us, this is the start of every single day. So, what do most of us do? We grab the nearest bath towel and start wiping. It feels productive, doesn't it? You're getting the water off the glass. You can see out of the window again. Job done. Except, it isn't. You've just made a massive mistake. In fact, using a towel is one of the main reasons your room smells musty and mold is starting to grow. To fix this, we need to quickly understand what's happening. This is condensation. When the warm, moist air from your breath hits the freezing cold glass, it turns back into liquid water. It's unavoidable, but when you use a towel, you aren't removing that water. You're just moving it from the glass onto a piece of fabric. If you leave that damp towel in the bedroom to dry maybe on a radiator or the end of the bed, every single drop of that water evaporates right back into the air. That moisture doesn't just vanish. It settles on your cold walls, it gets behind your wardrobe, and it creates the perfect breeding ground for black mold. You are literally feeding the fungus. Here's the fix, and it costs less than a $5. You need a squeegee. The physics are simple. We want to remove the water, not just move it around. Start at the top and drag the water down the pane so it collects at the bottom. Now, use a microfiber cloth knot, a bath towel, to soak up the puddle on the sill. This is the most important part, so listen closely. Take that wet cloth and the water you've collected straight to the bathroom or kitchen. Wring it down the sink. Ventilate that room. You have now physically removed that liter of water from your sleeping environment. It cannot re-evaporate. It cannot fuel the mold. But wait. Even if your windows are dry, there's a silent killer hiding in your room right now. It loves the dark, it destroys your furniture, and you probably won't see it until it's too late. In part 2, we are going to find the hidden mold you can't see. Tell a friend to subscribe so they don't miss part 2 at the same time tomorrow. Let's get it fixed.